Go.
Well, guys, I'm back, and I got my little chicky monk in, and my welcome sign, and I know this is early. I decided to do this because I wanted to play around with a wreath. This will be on my shop, FlorasPlaceShop on Etsy, and I have a lot of spring already out there. I have some stuff with sandals, flip-flops, welcome signs for the backyard, for a pool signs, and I've got a lot of nice stuff. So check out, like I said, Flora's Place Shop on Etsy, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I really enjoyed doing this today, and like I told you, I was a little nervous, but I think it turned out really nice. And yeah, that'll be ready for sale in my Etsy shop. So you guys have a really nice day. Be safe, and God bless.